The Pioneer TS-A6961F 6x9 speakers offer a remarkable four-way design, providing distinct drivers for different frequency ranges, resulting in a more precise and balanced sound. With a maximum power handling of 450 watts and continuous power handling of 90 watts, these speakers offer dynamic sound suitable for various music genres. The frequency response of 29 Hz to 28 kilohertz ensures a rich and immersive audio experience, capturing both deep bass and crisp highs. Featuring a sensitivity rating of 92 decibels, these speakers deliver clear and loud sound even at lower power levels, minimizing distortion. Installation is a breeze with the included 6x9-inch multi-fit adapters, enhancing flexibility and acoustic performance for a seamless factory upgrade. These speakers are designed to elevate your in-car audio experience by delivering improved sound quality, enhanced bass, and clear vocals, making them a popular choice for car enthusiasts.